What's up, guys? Special video for you today. Right now, I'm actually in the Braintree offices in Chicago, Illinois, and I just want to take you on a quick tour of the offices, show you, because it's a really cool space. They really focus on these innovative working places just to foster creativity within the workforce. So we're gonna do a quick tour. There are some people working right now, so we will be on the quieter side, but I just want to show you guys real quick. It is a really cool space. So if you follow me this way, you'll see a lot of the big main workspaces this way. You'll see offices, no cubicles because screw that. They like to foster a very open environment. So, yeah. Like any other tech office, you'll see whiteboards everywhere, even on the lockers, because you always gotta write down your ideas. You'll see individual conference rooms, and these are cool. We usually use these for breakout sessions. So when we have kind of a group side project, usually between 5-6 people, we'll choose one of these rooms and get a lot of work done. But yeah, that's pretty cool. One other quick thing is that what's cool about this office is it's a really strong Chicago community. So each conference room is actually themed with a different famous Chicago location. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Let's go this way, and I'm going to show you guys where the developers hang out when we're not working. So we're actually having a hackathon right now, and we have this hackathon every single week. And so if you guys are in the area and want to check it out, it's a really cool place. You don't need experience. It's just a cool environment to come work on cool projects, meet new developers. It's called Shy Hacks, C-H-I, Hacks. And you can sign up on Eventbrite. It's completely free. So if you're in the area, definitely check it out. This is one of the other main conference rooms. It seems like people are in there right now. So we also share this space with Venmo, which is cool. Kind of interesting because they are a competitor. You see, this is the main presentation room. You see a few breakout groups going on. Coffee room over there, and this is kind of the hangout lounge. You'll see we always have food. We have a couple vending machines going on, and then a few other workout groups over there. So you see each kind of group laid out. They're working on their own cool projects. And for this hackathon, there's a really civic theme, so everyone's kind of building out these projects that help out on a civic level. But if you guys come, you can work on whatever you want, or just kind of just be part of any other team. So, yeah. So obviously, great food, great people. We got ping pong, we got foosball, because you gotta work hard, play hard, right? Cereal, candy, vending machines, all sponsored by the company. And finally, we kind of got a gaming lounge, kind of the arcade. This is where we really come to just kind of blow off some steam after a big coding session. So we got the PS4 set up. Huge FIFA fan myself, so if any of you guys want to challenge me, I'll put down my Xbox gamer tag below. So I also play Fortnite. Yeah, guys, that's about it. So I hope you enjoyed. I'll put a link down below to Braintree's actual website so you can get a little bit more about the company. Awesome company, up and coming, so definitely check it out. Thanks for watching, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.